Hi Michael, my name is Bruce Flora, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a demo here on this kite. It's very windy here this afternoon. We've got some storms in the area, but as you can see, this is the shape of the kite. It's probably about a 5-foot wingspan kite, with some tails on it, and we're flying this on a 16-foot pole. A minute ago I had it drop down in the wind. We'll fly with the wind, so you're going to see a little bit of both here. And I'm going to hand this to someone else to video. So basically this thing can just launch we kind of tow it around with this line, so you can make it fly like this. Fairly calm right now. Chance pop, can you see me in? Just with the wind, you can see it just kind of fly and tether on its own through the wind. As soon as it stops, just calling it, giving it some movement. So right now it's probably flying 50% with the